Slope is defined as the ratio of vertical change to horizontal change between 2 points on the line. The slope is also known as rise over run. Rise, that is the vertical change, and run is the horizontal change. The line contains point 1, x sub 1, y sub 1, and point 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. To determine the rise, determine the difference on y coordinate, the y sub 2 minus y sub 1. To determine the run, determine the difference on x coordinate, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Slope is rise over run, so the formula to find the slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let's apply the formula in finding the slope of a line. Example number 1. Find the slope of a line containing -2, -3, and 1, 3. Let's graph the line containing the points -2, -3, and 1, 3. This is the line containing the points -2, -3, and 1, 3. Let's draw a vertical line from point -2, -3, and horizontal line to 1, 3. It forms a triangle. The rise is the difference of y coordinate, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, y sub 2 is 3, and y sub 2 is -3. Three minus -3 is equal to 6. The run is the difference of x coordinate, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. X sub 2 is 1, and x sub 1 is -2. One minus -2 is equal to 3. The slope of the line is 6 over 3, or that is equivalent to 2. Example number 2. What is the slope of a line containing 4, 2 and -4, 5? Let's graph the line containing 4, 2 and -4, 5. 4, 2, -4, 5. This is the line containing 4, 2 and -4, 5. From point 4, 2 Let's draw a vertical line. Then, horizontal line to negative 4, 5. It forms a triangle. The rise is the difference of y coordinates, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Y sub 2 is 5. And y sub 1 is 2. Five minus 2 is equal to 3. The run is the difference of x coordinate, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. X sub 2 is negative 4. And x sub 1 is 4. Negative 4 minus 4 is equal to negative 8. The slope of this line is 3 over negative 8, or negative 3 over 8. That's the way how are you going to find the slope of the line using the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I hope you learned how to find the slope of the line using this formula. See you on the next video.